Good morning. We are in Valencia, or is it called Valencia? I don't know. This Valencia. And we're going to take a walking route from Time to Momo book. I don't know if it's in other languages. This is in Dutch. We're going to show everything. This is the historical center. Valencia is big. Last time that we were here, seeing the special white buildings, but this is not the region that we're going to see today. This is going to be a different center, the old center. So there are 5 routes in here, and every time we come to the area, to the apartments, we're going to try to do one route every vacation. So it's in the historical center, so there will be very nice buildings to see. So let's go. I love street art.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free for you, but it makes a huge difference for my channel.
So this is the city hall, and that's where we start our hike. So if there is no official things to do here in the city hall, it's free entrance. It seems to be very beautiful, but it's only from Monday until Friday. And today it's a Saturday. Luckily, we will come back. Let's start our hike. The city center that we just see here is really having a 60 and 70 vibes with all the signs and the letters of the restaurants and buildings. It's like back in time. This building, this Bank of Valencia, is really, I was thinking about the building of the Continental Hotel of the John Wick spin-off series. Really, I was really convinced that it was the same one, but I looked it up and it's filmed in New York, so it's not here. And there are more large buildings in the back if you look at it, but it's really, really similar. All the buildings are amazingly beautiful. Look at that. This is Cathedral, and we're going to eat a small lunch here. So salmon with toast, eggs with toast and bacon. You have toast with ham and cheese.
See the cheese,
And then you also have the salmon. So now we are going to continue our walk. It was really, really good. We're at the Plaza Redonda, and this is really famous for his bobby lacing and ceramic. So everywhere you see these shops, they are selling the bobby lacing, and you can let them do something while you are waiting, your name or something else. So this is a really round-shaped plaza. You have a lot of them in Spain. Really cute place here. And very close by here, you will have the smallest house in Europe. So did you see the smallest house? There you have it. It's a little bit wider than just a door, and you have all the windows. Unbelievable. So you can enter this cathedral for €3. You climb the tower. We're going to do that if we are coming back with a lower temperature. Then we can go onto the top. Not today. It's 37 degrees the last time we saw it. So the hottest day that we have so far. So in the shades, it's okay. But in the sun, it's really burning. And for €10, you go on the other side and then you have a museum. But the kids won't do that. It's too hot. They are too hot. Soon we will stop to drink something again. I ate an ice cream. Guess what? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! And I said to my wife, watch out, it melts really quickly, it will drip off. Every time. Oh, another one. Oh my god. Every time if I have white pants or I sit on a bird shit. Yeah. Nice. So this is the northern entrance gate of Valencia in the 14th century. In the beginning it was just for defending and receiving important people. Later on it was for the wealthiest prisoners. And now you can climb to the top. There are the kids. They're sitting there. So this is the second gate and the last one, because we are nearly at the end of the walk. The holes in the tower are from Napoleon. They left it in there because they renovated it, but they left the holes and now parrots are living in there. We just saw the entrance of the botanic garden and we're not going to visit it because you have to pay and nobody feels like it to visit that because we're all very warm. We're tired. We're going back to the car and then to the apartment because it's a big 1.5 hour driving. I know for people in America this is very close by. And then chilling in the apartment, that's it. Maybe somebody wants to swim. She wants to swim. And then you're going to swim? So it was a lovely day. The old center of Valencia is really, really beautiful. The buildings are beautiful. It's amazing. So you have different views of Valencia. You have that nature park in the middle of Valencia. That was a river. I'm sorry for the noise. And you can bike there, you can hike there, you can relax there. It's really big. Then you can see in the beginning of that park very spacious, very space buildings, modern art, white buildings. The pictures of Valencia, you see all that buildings. And then you have that old town that we visited. So a lot of things to do here in Valencia and we will come back for sure. So thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Ciao, kus.